last year, Smoke Show, our 2018 Mustang GT, has seen over 11,000 miles. We've driven this car all over the East Coast. It has been roll raced, drag raced, autocrossed, open track, and most importantly, what it was built for, drifted. During that entire time, our Roush Supercharger never skipped a beat. This thing made power all the time. We never had any real issues besides a little bit of heat soak. Now, the harder we pushed this car when it would get hot, it would get heat soaked and would lose a little bit of horsepower. Now, Roush is aware of this, they've heard people talking about it, and they made a correction. Today we're talking about the Phase 2 upgrade for your Roush Supercharger. This is the Roush Phase 2 Supercharger Upgrade. Now, this is going to fit your 2018 through 2020 Mustang GT when equipped with a Roush or Ford Performance Phase 1 Supercharger. Let's get to the numbers. Most important thing you guys are asking about is horsepower. Well, this kit now is going to take you from 700 to 750 and add 60 pound-feet of torque as well, putting you 290 horsepower over a stock Mustang GT. Now, the most important thing with this is the flash tune. This tune is going to basically recalibrate the car, not only increase horsepower, but also work with the cooling. And speaking of cooling, it comes with this new low-temp radiator. Now, this mounts in the front in the grille area of the car. This radiator is from the good folks over at Griffin who know a lot about cooling, and this is going to keep the car a lot cooler, keep those inlet temperatures down, and keep the horsepower up. Now, we've been testing one of these low temp radiators on Smoke Show for the last few months. Now, we haven't done the upgraded tune yet because it wasn't really available, but even with the LTR on the car, we're seeing consistent 10 to 20 degree cooler on our IATs, which will definitely make a difference in the summer, especially with the tune. As far as the installation goes, all you do is swap out the LTR with the provided brackets and the new LTR, and then if you have the software, you can flash using the Roush tune or take it to your local dealer. So we got a good one, right? This Phase 2 upgrade is available for any 2018 through 2020 Mustang with either a Roush or Ford Performance Phase 1 Supercharger. If you don't have a Supercharger kit yet, the entire Phase 2 kit is available, 50 state legal, and still has a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty.